Welcome to the Accommodation Training Program. Good customer service for healthy guests. Module 4. Healthy Catering. Healthy eating plays an important role in guaranteeing that our guests stay healthy and fit to work. All people require the right amount of essential nutrients in their food to replenish their energy. Responsible and dedicated hosts must take steps to ensure the preparation and availability of healthy and diverse food choices in adequate quantities and clean drinking water in order to guarantee the well-being of their guests. The following are the 5 key rules of a healthy diet. Serve a variety of foods. Serve plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit the use of fats and oils. Use less sugar and salt. And provide a lot of water. Rule 1. Serve a variety of foods. It is important that hosts provide a variety of foods to ensure the best nutritional benefits to their guests, as well as to meet their specific tastes and dietary and cultural requirements. Staple foods such as pasta and rice, legumes, vegetables, fruits, and animal products should be made available for most meals. Try to plan meals in advance to ensure they are healthy and nutritious. Rotate the types of foods you serve to keep your meals varied. Try to avoid excessive waste and keep any leftovers for later meals. Make sure leftovers are properly stored. Rule 2. Serve plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are proven to help reduce illnesses and are important sources of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They are a crucial part of any diet and should be included in every meal. Include 5 portions of fruit and vegetables per day for your guests. Consider serving fruits and vegetables as snacks around your accommodation. Avoid overcooking fruits and vegetables, as important vitamins may be lost. Rule 3. Limit the use of fats and oils. Though fats and oils are often used in cooking, eating too much can be very harmful to your health. Hosts are advised to avoid buying processed and fried foods, and to limit the amount of fats and oils they use when cooking. When cooking, vary your ingredients and try to use low-fat white meats such as poultry and fish. Try steaming or boiling food as a healthier alternative to frying. Rule 4. Use less sugar and salt. Foods that are high in salts and sugars are very unhealthy, often leading to tooth decay and heart disease. Hosts should therefore limit the amount of salty and sugary foods they provide to guests. When cooking, do not use too much sugar, salt, or high-sodium ingredients. Do not put a salt dispenser directly on the dining table. If purchasing packaged or canned foods, read the labels carefully to avoid varieties with high amounts of added salts and sugars. Rule 5. Provide a lot of water. If guests do not have regular access to clean and safe drinking water, they could potentially become very ill. It is very important that guests remain hydrated during their stay. 5 liters of drinking water should be available for each guest per day. Do not provide too many sodas, sports drinks, or fruit juices, as these are often very high in sugar. Drinks with caffeine in them should be limited, as these can actually dehydrate the body. Be sure to remember the 5 key rules of a healthy diet. Serve a variety of foods. Serve plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit the use of fats and oils. Use less sugar and salt. And provide a lot of water. Ask your supervisor for a copy of the healthy catering materials at the end of this training. These will also be available online on the Accommodation Digital Office. And remember, your good customer service